All right, so I have this mini heat gun by Diafield. I was sent this in exchange for a review, but all of these thoughts are my own. As you can see, it has 2 heat settings, a fast heat up time, it's portable and compact, and it has a built-in overload protection, which is important. You can use this for all kinds of things, and it's got a nice stand there too. So let's open this up. Got a manual, this extra tip that helps you to funnel the air where you want it to go. Then of course the device itself. It's got a nice long cord. We're just gonna measure it real quick. 5 feet and 9 inches. Yep, plenty long cord. So it's really lightweight, very portable, compact, easy to hold in one hand. It's got a stand here at the top. So you can set it down. So if it's heated up, this is gonna be really hot. You don't want that to touch the table. You can just set it on the table like that. Here's your power and heating switch. Has a nice satisfying click to it. So let's plug this in and try it out. All right, I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I have some crayons taped up here. I'm gonna have them dripping down below as I heat the crayons up with this mini heat gun. So let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna put it on the low setting first to see how that does. Yeah, it's definitely starting to heat up. So for this, I think I need to put it on the high one, see how that works. So it's really easy to use. I am not an artist by any means, so don't judge the device by my lack of artistic skills. So this thing definitely has a wide range of uses. On the high setting, it definitely heats up pretty quick. You can use it for shrink wrapping, heat shrinking, small repairs where you need a stream of heat. Definitely a lot of things. It's a good tool to have. This one works good and I recommend it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment, and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.